Morning all, this is the second video in my journey on the ClickASnap platform. I'll get it right in the end. Just a review on what's happened over the last week, and that's my second week basically on this platform. I've uploaded quite a few photos and happy to say that one of mine's on their front page, which is quite nice. I'm also, there's one of the top contributors, well, that's nice as well. These are random, I think, from what I've read, but these are just images that people like the most and comment on the most. So I'm going to talk you through what's happened over the last week, what money I've made, what I've done, and then I'm going to show you how to upload a photo and the tag words and stuff that you can use, and add it to a product as a download. So I'll go into my profile, it's just as easy. So as you can see, 259 images, 121 followers, 1.2k, so 1,200 views, and 994 likes of my photos. Now don't forget I'm using a pro account, which cost me £5 for a month, so basically it gives you ultimate uploads and stuff like that, and that you're allowed to sell stuff on here. When I go into the selling bit, I'll show you basically what you can sell on here. I mean, there is quite a lot from different sized prints. Now bear in mind, you don't have to print these. These basically outreach it, they get printed and they get sent to the customer, so you don't even have to worry about printing. They take a bit of commission, which they're going to, and that's how they make their money, along with how they make their money by people viewing the photos, which I spoke about in the first video. So 2 weeks in, and this is the breakdown. So after week 1, I had 175 photos in there. I've now got best part of 260-ish photos on there. Subscribers, views, you know what I mean, but the most important thing is that one. So in 2 weeks I've made $1.18. Alright, I'm not going to be a millionaire overnight, but at the end of the day, what I think of is it's a long-term process, and people who have been on this site for a lot longer than I have probably are making a lot more money than I am. Obviously have a lot more photos on there, but I don't think it's just about the short term. After speaking to Tom, the CEO, he spoke about investment and things like that, and there's things coming onto the platform over the next couple of months, one in the next couple of weeks, about how to do uploads and the products, which looks quite canny, and it might save you a little bit of time when you're doing your products and stuff. So like I say, $1.18, I think it works out to be about 92 pence or something stupid like that. But again, it's 92 pence I wouldn't have got if I wasn't on the site, because even though people might be looking on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, I'm not getting paid for them viewing my images. Here I am. Now, alright, so how do you get people to view your images? Well, there's a few ways. I think one of the best things you can do is basically share your stuff on Facebook, share your stuff on Instagram, and things like that. So this is basically a breakdown of, like I say, views, likes, comments, authentic views, things like that. If you go into the paid bit, basically it shows you what people have been looking at the most. Now this was only uploaded like 2 or 3 days ago. Well, it says 2 days ago, so, and it's got 26 views, 22 paid views, so it's not too bad, that photo. People like that one. But as a platform itself, it's easy to use. You're getting paid for people looking at your work, and you never know what it's going to lead to. on your actual home page, on your profile page, like I say, on a pro account, you can have all this. Now, Facebook account, Twitter account, YouTube account, which I've got, and which this video will be on, Instagram, and my website. So basically, if someone does happen to go on there and see a photo of whatever, a model, or you do a wedding, you put some of the wedding photos on, because you haven't got, the only thing to say is no nudity, which is fair enough. Yeah. So if you wanted to put wedding photos on, or portraits on, or things like that, which I'm going to do, but I haven't started yet, but you can put them on. But like I say, these are the photos that I've got on there, and there's everything you can think of. So how to upload a photo. Click upload in the top corner, comes up with this screen, select a photo. So let's have a look. We'll go for that one. This was taken while I was out on the Cleveland Hills up near Rosebery Topping, near the Captain Cook's monument, in the summer. The good thing about this is it'll put some of the tags in for you, so outdoors, nature, scenery, sky, azure sky, I don't know what that means, but hey ho. So you just title it, so I can spell properly. So to add the tags, you can put whatever you want on here. There's nature on there, you put landscape. So you just type it in and hit enter, and it automatically puts it up. You don't have to do much else. Let's have a look. Outdoors, sky. So you can put blue sky. Where it is, Cleveland Hills. Alright, if I could spell properly today, I don't know what's the matter with me. That's better. Get rid of that. What else can we put on there? Landscape, outdoors we've got, nature, countryside. So categories. The first one is their categories. So this is all the categories they have on the site. So there's all sorts on here. So you put it in nature if you wanted to. I'm going to put mine in landscape, and then basically my albums. These are the albums I've created. And as you can see there, I've got landscape, night photography, wildlife, aircraft, light painting, black and white, and transport. So I'm going to put that in landscape. So if you're happy with that, and everything looks alright, and it's actually spelt correctly for once, hit confirm, and that's it. So that photo is now on the site. So if you wanted to make it into a product of some of the description, so you'd go into products, add a product, and I've got to click on it. Click on the photo that you want to select. So if you wanted to say I put 6 photos on, I could quite easily click all 6 photos, hit proceed, which will take you to the next one. So these are all the things they have: frame prints, digital downloads, wall displays, photographic prints, wall displays, shadow boxes, and gifts. Now the gifts are, if I remember rightly, key rings, magnets, mouse mats, cups. I'm sure there's something else. Can't remember. So anyway, we're just going to do it as a digital download. So click digital, click download. I will set mine as £5. So it comes up there, digital download, proceed. Now it'll bring you up just a bit of a photo here of what it'll actually look like. It's not going to change or anything. Hit proceed, and basically that's it. That's now a product in your shop, store, whatever you want to call it. So that's about it. I've had no sales yet unfortunately. But we are getting there. I mean, the site itself, I've now got 260 photos on there. The site itself is easy to use. Like I say, it's just one of them things you've got to get and try. If you want to go onto the onto the normal thingy, I mean, like I say, I'm on a pro account. If you want to go on the free, go for it. I can't understand why, as a photographer or even as a hobbyist. I mean, I'm not a professional. I don't do it for a living. Wish I could, but I can't. But like I say, if you want to do it for free, do it for free. You only get 7 uploads per day, but I've got 260 photos on there now. I've made nearly £1. So if you want to do that one, ultimate uploads, faster browsing, you know what I mean, paid for your views, which you get paid for all of them. But if you want to do that one and just go for it, then go for it. You know what I mean? You've got nothing. Well, you've got £1 to lose. But if I can make near enough £1 in 2 weeks, 260 photos as a photographer or even a hobbyist or whatever, I'm sure other people can. The one thing I say about the pro account, which I don't think it does for anything else, basically when you go into your socials, it automatically posts a random image from my portfolio every 2 hours on my Twitter account. So that might be one thing you might have to look at. It's up to you, really. I don't think there's anything else to go through at the moment, but I'll do another video in a week's time and we'll see how things go. This is John signing off, and I'll probably see you in a week. Bye now.